Hi subscribers, hi viewers. Today I'm going to open a mystery box. These mystery boxes, they are products of samples that people liked of the things I had in Africa. So I am buying more products to show you what I had and upgrading from the ones I had. And I'll be showing you a lot of stuff. This stuff will be available on our catalog, which we're working on the website now. What we have is a grooming kit, a shaver. This type I've not had before. The reason why I had to buy this one, when I went to Africa, there is a gentleman that really wanted the one I had, and he was really impressed with how it worked and with the quality. So let's see. This is another grooming kit. It's a shaver I'll be using, and I don't think, maybe I'll give you feedback, maybe I'll not give you feedback, but this is what I have here. Let's see. Before, seems like I'm struggling to remember from the box. Okay, this is what we have. Remember, it's a 5-in-1 grooming kit. That's why they call it a grooming kit. What I really needed was a shaver, so I'll be going ahead and continuing to show you what's the 5-in-1. Normally I only wanted this one piece, not the rest, but since I'm getting the rest, I will show you what the kit involves. So this is what we have. This is the head shaver. Normally, because the one I had was a non-adjustable, and it will leave my hair a little bit on, so this is a little bit different. Let's see if it will switch on before I try it on. Yes, we've got some digital stuff there, so it's available for the next 90 minutes. It's a good part because it shows you how long you can use it, time of use, and how many seconds you used it for. So before I go through the manual, let's see other products that we have. I want to see the 5-in-1 bit. Honestly, I can say that I'm now getting a little bit impressed. I like what I'm seeing, and it is very good. And I can shave and trim with this, which is really good, comparable to the one I had, which was bought in Africa. Someone liked it so much and they took it off me. They had to pay for it. Although I didn't need the money, I was just trying to charge them so that they will leave me alone. And they said, no, they were taking it. So let's see what we have as in 5. So that's a 1, 2. That's something cheeky. 3, 4, 5. So that's their 5-in-1 grooming kit. Well, on the 5-in-1, I can say it's a 2-piece grooming kit. The good thing is it is available. We got the charger, and I can use it for the next 90 minutes. So just give me a feedback on what you think of this grooming kit. I'll go try it on and see how it shaves my head. Then I'll come back and really comment if it works really well. Remember, it's new. I'm more likely to get the big and better results. I have tried it on, and I can say it's not that perfect. It's not that comfortable. It is a little bit struggling on the black person's hair. I guess my hair was a little bit longer, so you have to be bald to keep on using it to maintain your baldness. Let's try this piece. Okay, before we go any further, I'm being typical African by doing what I'm doing here. We didn't go through the manual. This is what we have here, the manual. Everything is in Chinese. Basically, if you've done some engineering like what I've done, you will understand what we are talking about. So that's for the head. This piece is for the head. Then this is for the beard. Let's see. It's got the timer. It's got everything. I can switch it on, then remove. The hair is inside the piece. So anyway, out of the scale 1 to 10, I will give it 7.5 to 8. On the just on the beauty, but on the quality, I'm doubting that it is the best quality. I'll have to upgrade at some point and get the best quality. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. This is our first mystery box. We've got more products coming in. If you stay tuned, you'll be seeing what you're getting next.